Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with